Hey there, you productivity-loving, clarity-craving, action-taking rock star. Welcome back to the Mr. Productivity Podcast. I'm your host, Mark Struczewski, also known as Mr. Productivity. Today's episode is for those moments when you feel like the walls are closing in, your to-do list is breathing fire, and you're stuck in that paralyzing loop of, where the heck do I even start? If you've ever felt that way, well, first of all, welcome to the human race. Second, you're not stuck. You're just overwhelmed. And today, I'm going to help you bounce your way out of that mess. Let's get into it. So let's start with why you're really overwhelmed. Here's the truth. Overwhelm doesn't come from too much to do. It comes from not knowing where to start. Think about it. If I told you to eat an entire pizza in one bite, you'd panic, right? But if I said one slice at a time, take your time, enjoy the flavor, totally doable. Same goes for your responsibilities. Overwhelm isn't a productivity issue. It's a clarity issue. And as Steve Harvey wisely said, you'll never be successful until you get comfortable being uncomfortable. Sometimes progress means stepping into the discomfort, the messiness, and the uncertainty and moving forward anyway. So let's shrink this monster, shall we? Here's one of my favorite first steps. A brain dump. Get it all out of your head. You are not a storage unit. You're not meant to carry 97 things in your mind at once. So whether it's a notepad, a whiteboard, or a notes app, dump it. Get it all out. Then ask yourself one magical question. What's one thing I can do next? Not the best thing, not the perfect thing, just one. The fog starts to lift the second you act. Now let's turn our attention to one of my favorite topics, the clarity sprint. Once you pick your one thing, whatever that is, don't overthink it. Set a timer for 15 minutes. This is what I call a clarity sprint. No distractions, no overthinking, just focused action. 15 minutes of momentum. That's all we're after. Use a timer. Throw on some binaural beats. Turn off notifications and go. Even if you stop after those 15 minutes, you've already won. But spoiler alert, you probably won't want to stop. What if your brain's in full-on freeze mode? Go outside. No tech. Just be present. I'm not asking you to meditate or do yoga or journal. Nope. Just be. Let your brain take a collective deep breath. You want to take it up a notch, kick off your shoes and socks and stand barefoot on the ground. Better yet, stand in the sun. Let those warm, energy-giving rays fuel you. It's the simplest reset button I know, and it works because a settled mind is a productive mind. One last reminder. You don't need to conquer your entire life today. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about motion. Every step counts. Every sprint matters. And when the day feels too far gone, it's not. One moment of clarity can flip the whole thing. So if you're overwhelmed right now, breathe. You're not broken, my friend. You're not behind. You're just one step away from moving forward again. Now, if this episode gave you a little bounce back, why don't you subscribe to the Mr. Productivity Podcast wherever you're listening right now? Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, Pandora, Amazon Music, it doesn't matter. And then head on over to MrProductivity.com, MISTER, MrProductivity.com for more tools, tips, and clarity fueling resources. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now go take that one step, and I'll see you back here real soon. Don't forget, stay productive, stay bouncy, and never forget, you've got this.